All right, let's jump right in. Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're diving deep into the science and mechanics of personalized Thai massage. We are completely shifting the paradigm here. We're taking this practice way out of that generic spa luxury box and redefining it as an absolute essential for your physical maintenance routine. Honestly, if you've been feeling the physical toll of daily life just silently building up in the background, you are definitely in the right place. So I want you to ask yourself honestly, are you just accepting chronic discomfort as your baseline? You know the drill. You sit hunched at a desk, maybe you stand on your feet for hours on end, or you push through those really intense workouts. Over time, your muscles adapt to that poor posture. We feel this creeping stiffness and we just kind of brush it off, right? We tell ourselves, oh, well, that's just a normal part of getting older. But what if it isn't? What if it's literally a massive warning sign from your body that you've just been ignoring? To figure out the solution, we've got to look at the daily toll our environments are taking on us. Take the demanding environment of Las Vegas as a perfect example. Because, as it turns out, what happens in Vegas definitely stays in your muscles. Think about hospitality workers or business travelers spending 8-10 hours standing on those rock-hard convention floors. Now add in artificial office lights, hauling heavy luggage around, and even that dry desert climate. That climate plays a super sneaky but very real role in cellular dehydration. It literally makes your muscles feel brittle, tight, and super prone to injury. And this damage, it just accumulates, completely silently. Okay, so we need to bust a massive myth that pretty much all of us have bought into. The myth says that this creeping stiffness is just you aging. But here's the actual biological reality. When your muscles stay contracted for long periods without any help, they physically restrict blood flow. This lack of circulation actively starves your tissues of oxygen and vital nutrients. So actually, scratch that. You aren't just feeling old. You are experiencing literal cellular fatigue and chronic aching. Moving right along into section 2, what exactly is Thai massage? At its absolute core, Thai massage is a therapeutic modality that combines rhythmic acupressure with assisted stretching. And the key thing to grasp here is that it manipulates both your muscular and your skeletal systems at the exact same time. A lot of people playfully call it lazy yoga, and honestly, that kind of hits the nail on the head. Your practitioner literally uses their hands, elbows, knees, and feet to safely guide your body into different postures. By working along the body's natural energy pathways, it targets the deep fascia to create lasting structural changes, not just some temporary surface-level relaxation. You literally leave the mat feeling taller, lighter, and noticeably more agile. And what's really fascinating here is how wildly different this is from your standard spa setting. I actually like to call it the anti-spa environment. At a clinic like My Thai Massage in Las Vegas, for example, you aren't undressing or awkwardly climbing under heavy sheets. You stay fully clothed in loose activewear, yoga pants, sweatpants, whatever's comfortable. The whole treatment happens right on a firm, padded floor mat. That gives the therapist the leverage they need to safely manipulate your limbs. And it totally rejects those rigid, generic head-to-toe routines where they spend equal time everywhere, regardless of where you actually hurt. It focuses entirely on your unique anatomy. And the best part, you're totally in control of the stretch and pressure intensity the whole time. All right, section 3, the science of healing. Let's look under the hood. Because your muscles have essentially been starved of oxygen, a really good professional massage has to directly reverse that destructive process. The rhythmic compressions the therapist applies act literally like a mechanical pump. This pump forcefully flushes out all the metabolic waste and lactic acid that gets trapped in your muscles. Then, as soon as that pressure releases, boom, fresh, highly oxygenated blood rushes directly back into those starved tissues. So your deep tissue circulation is quite literally physically restored. But hey, the physical pump is only half the science here. The assisted stretching component does something equally profound. It forces the activation of your parasympathetic nervous system. This is a real game changer. It naturally lowers cortisol, that's your main stress hormone, without you needing to take a single pill. It boosts your endorphin production for natural daily pain management. And because it shifts your body into this incredibly deep state of rest, it dramatically improves your sleep quality and your mental clarity. So we're not talking about a simple treat here. This is highly effective preventative care for your long-term health. Up next, section 4, comparing therapeutic massage approaches. When you look at the different modalities out there side by side, you see some very distinct paths. Swedish massage, for instance, relies on gentle kneading for surface muscles, which is fantastic for high stress or sleep issues, but maybe not so much for deep structural pain. Deep tissue, on the other hand, uses firm pressure for those deeper muscle layers, making it ideal for chronic pain and sports recovery. Then you have traditional Thai, which brings in that amazing assisted stretching for joint mobility and overall vitality. But the absolute sweet spot, that's personalized Thai. This is a totally customized blend of all those techniques. It focuses entirely on your specific tension points to ensure total body alignment. That means every single minute you spend on that mat contributes directly to your recovery.
Let's jump to section 5, adaptable for every body.
Okay, let's dispel a huge myth right now. You absolutely do not need to be a flexible gymnast to receive this treatment. A skilled practitioner will completely modify the session based on exactly who is in front of them. Say you're an athlete pushing physical limits at the gym, the focus there is athletic recovery. The therapist is going to use much deeper pressure to flush out lactic acid and aggressively stretch out tight hip flexors to boost your performance. Conversely, let's say we're talking about an older adult whose joints have naturally lost a bit of lubrication and elasticity. The approach is entirely different. They use gentle, rhythmic rocking and very mild stretches to safely encourage mobility, never forcing a joint past its comfortable limit. It's an incredible way to help seniors safely maintain their physical independence. And this adaptability, it is an absolute lifesaver for working professionals and business travelers. If you're stuck in the professional grind, especially in a nonstop, fast-paced city like Las Vegas, this therapy zeroes in on your specific ailments. It actively alleviates that horrible lower back compression you get from long flights. It corrects those brutal postural imbalances from leaning over an office desk all day. It flushes out travel-induced toxins and effectively resets your nervous system to fight off jet lag. Honestly, it is the perfect fast muscle relief to get you back to peak performance, even on a crazy tight schedule. Moving on to our final segment, Section 6, Building a Wellness Routine. Now, you will absolutely feel immediate improvements after just one single session, for sure. But dismantling deep-rooted movement patterns, that requires true consistency. There is a perfect analogy for this straight from the source material. Just as you would not drive a vehicle indefinitely without an oil change, you should not push your body without regular therapeutic intervention. Think about that for a second. We do routine maintenance on our cars, our houses, our laptops, but we somehow expect our physical bodies to just run indefinitely on empty? No way. Your body requires that exact same routine maintenance to function properly. So what does a realistic maintenance routine actually look like? Well, it's a proven progression. Starting in week 1, if you're dealing with severe chronic pain, you're going to want weekly sessions to aggressively tackle those physical imbalances. Then, by month 2, as you start hitting a better baseline of comfort, you can transition to bi-weekly treatments. This is the phase where you truly dismantle those deep-rooted tension patterns. Finally, by month 6, you're looking at just a monthly maintenance schedule. That's the sweet spot to keep tension at bay, preserve all your newfound mobility, and ensure your posture stays perfectly aligned. And hey, if you're sitting there wondering about the logistics of fitting this into an already packed schedule, proactive self-care can actually be incredibly convenient. For folks visiting or living in Las Vegas, My Thai Massage is strategically located literally 3 minutes from the airport. Making wellness a consistent habit doesn't have to be some sort of logistical nightmare. It can seamlessly integrate right into your travel plans or your daily commute. So I want to end this explainer by turning the spotlight right back over to you. We've explored the cellular reality of stiffness, we've broken down the mechanics of Thai massage, and we've laid out the clear roadmap for recovery. The knowledge is officially in your hands. Are you going to keep treating your physical structure worse than your car? Or are you finally ready to step up and schedule your own routine maintenance? Thanks so much for joining me today, and I really hope you leave this explainer inspired to give your body the treatment it absolutely deserves.